The Joe Rogan Experience is a podcast hosted by American comedian and UFC color commentator Joe Rogan. It launched on December 24, 2009, by Rogan and comedian Brian Redban, who was its co-host and producer until 2013, when he was replaced by Jamie Vernon. By 2015, it was one of the world's most popular podcasts, regularly receiving millions of views per episode, also including a wide array of guests. Since December 2020, the podcast has been exclusively available on Spotify, with highlights uploaded onto YouTube. The podcast originally began in early 2003 when Rogan hired Brian Redban, a self-taught video editor and an employee at a Gateway 2000 computer store in Ohio, to work for him full-time to film, produce, and edit videos for his website. Rogan had noticed video work that Redban did for comedian Doug Stanhope and invited him to film him and his group on stand-up comedy tours. Redban accepted and relocated to California in the process, following Rogan with a camera and recording everything. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.